fitness competition vlog series. In this week, you see us make major progress, and we also have a little fun by pranking Payne. In the morning right now. As you can see, Ryan is yawning. All right, week 2 is done. We ate out all week and you are down in weight, and so am I. This is probably surprising for a lot of people, right?
Yeah, it probably is. You know, you just got to pick your best options wherever you go, and sometimes it's going to be a little bit harder than other places, but we intentionally went places that we knew that we could get food. It's
Monday night. We are doing a make your own pizza night. We have these cauliflower crusts that we got from Whole Foods. They have 3 grams of net carbs in it, and we have a pizza making station. Check it out here, fresh ingredients.
no cheese left behind. Here we go. Oh man. I said you guys could have some, but now I've changed my mind. You guys can have it.
Lots of garlic, guys.
Got garlic?
We are making lao boats tonight. My brother's coming over, and it's one of our family favorites, thanks to my older sister, so. We just got done with the gym. We are about to eat and take a look at what we have going on here. Look at that jumbo meatball. I knew it was going to expand, but my goodness, that is jumbo. That's a regular size. Here, I'll bring it out of the heat. That's a regular size, and that is a jumbo size. So this is our lao boat. This is the broth. It's been sitting for about 3 hours. That apple cider vinegar. Do this right before a meal. It helps with digestion, it helps with metabolism, it helps also with your carb absorption. Cheers! Hey. 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 Ryan's going in. This is his lao boat. That looks spectacular.
Some chili oil flakes in there. The residue, just put some fresh cilantro, basil, jalapenos. Got the new ribeye. He's crazy. I got one of these.
Ooh.
Look at that thing. That's like a 4-biter right there. Alright, got some soft boiled eggs. You like to pop those just like as ramen or something. Got a little bit of sriracha. Oh man. This recipe, our lao boat, is going to be in the Asian Keto cookbook. coming out soon. Make sure you get it. It really helps break up the monotony of eating keto. All this stuff is super low carb. It's high fat. It's gonna blow your mind. Make sure you pick it up.
Nothing like it on the market. Asian,
No, you can't buy this. You can't buy this anywhere. This one and many others are gonna be in the cookbook.
And you personally tested everything in the cookbook.
I have tasted every single thing. This is in the top 5. This one right here. This one is bomb diggity. The egg.
This egg is phenomenal.
Let's get that egg shot. Eric, let me see that egg shot. All right, brother's going in for the egg. Ooh! This one wants to come to mama. Boom.
Was it just that easy?
It is
No
just
way.
that easy. Look at this. Easy peasy. What brand is this thing here? Here. There you go. Oh,
Wow, look at that.
man. That's solid.
That is cool.
I'm feeling a little inflammation.
Take your shoes off.
Shoes off. Can you give me a massage too?
Tippy with some ice here. Peace, she says. Okay, so why ice? Why ice on the knee? Well, ice helps with inflammation of muscles and joints, and if you do have some kind of injury, try ice first. You only need to do it for about 10 minutes and then let it warm up for about 10 minutes and then apply ice again for 10 minutes, and kind of that shifting between hot and cold really helps a lot with the swelling and the pain.
I am so sore from yesterday's workout and I'm a little stressed right now, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little guided meditation. I go on YouTube and I find guided meditation for beginners. They're usually 10-15 minutes long, and I just get my yoga mat. I try to center myself out, and during this process I really am trying not to stress a whole lot because cortisol is a stress hormone. It hinders weight loss, it hinders progress, it is notorious for storing fat, especially around the abdomen area, so I am trying to minimize that as much as possible, of course.
What are you gonna make?
I am making a cauliflower salami sandwich. We have the cauliflower bread here. This is from Outer Isle Gourmet. You can find this at Whole Foods, super easy. Put this in the toaster. Let that get all nice and toasty. Look at that. Super simple, definitely low carb, got your good fats in there. All right, we're going in.
Eat it. There you go. No avocado goes to waste in this house.
No, definitely not. OMG, Pang, Chef Pang.
So,
All right, what do we have here?
this is a beef stir fry. Yeah, it's kind of like a mix between a stir fry and a stew. Yeah, so I hope you like it.
It's been how long since you've eaten?
Let's check. Let's check the app. 50 hours and 21 minutes. Most of that was like a hard dry fast, meaning I had no water, no touching water, no brushing your teeth, no taking a shower, none of that. So
So tell us why you fast, Ryan.
fast for health, I fast for longevity, I fast for weight control, I fast for, you know, to feel good. It does feel good. So we'll cover my 21-day fast on a later tippy tail, and I'll tell you how that went.
Yeah, that's another one.
Yeah, it's an entirely different story.
Look at that cheese on his beard.
It's perfect. I feel like this is heaven, and I have arrived. That was perfect. It was everything I wanted it to be.
Saturday morning, and I am feeling like I want to sprint.
You want to say something?
Something?
Yeah! Good job, Peng.
End of week 3, as you could see, I met my goal, which is 115. They gave me a little trophy there, but the most important thing is, let's take a look at the trends here. All right, weight is trending down. This is going to go up and down as I gain muscle. I'm not really concerned about this one, but I am concerned about this here, which is body fat. Body fat, as you can see, is trending downwards. Again, my goal is 14-15%. I'm at 18. I'm just going to keep on measuring it on this one device, because it's very important that you stay consistent on whatever it is that you're measuring. 18.1%, and I will show you how I look aesthetic wise after we go through this. Skeletal muscle, I am trending upwards here, which is great. I am gaining more muscle. That's exactly what I want here. I want to gain more muscle and I want to lose more body fat. So overall, very pleased with where we're at. Week 3, marching forward, 9 weeks left. Let's get it. Week 3, this is what I currently look like here. As you can see, these shorts, they do not fit at all. It's very, very loose on me. I mean, legs, we are moving along, but moving in the right direction. Right, Daisy? Right, Daisy? I know. She's so cute. We're about to enter the farmer's market. It is in Sacramento. It's right under this highway here. Lots and lots of vendors. Let's check it out.
Okay, got it.
You want to try too?
Yeah, why not?
That's great. It's 2 for $20, and we're trying the creamy one now. And here we go.
Get it.
Best almond butter. Best almond
good.
butter. This is so creamy, so buttery. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Okay, sold.
Yeah,
Drink.
2.
Okay,
Oh.
it's this one.
So I just had it. I'm not crazy about almond butter, but this stuff was amazing. Barely old
I'm
enough.
singing to my head.
What song is it?
Aladdin.
Aladdin?
Wait, which Aladdin song?
I can show you.
That's what we started our day off this morning.
Nice. What is going on here?
Take it away.
My legs are pretty shot today. Actually, for the last couple of days, it's been pretty sore. Oh, see, I can't even.
Yeah.
I can't even do that without like cringing. You know, this is a competition that I want to win. Well, I'm gonna win. So I feel like I'm kicking it to the next gear. Watch.
No chance. No chance.
No chance. Dude.
I got the red here, which is the spicy tonkatsu, and I got it without any ramen in it, so no noodles, just the soup and all the fixings with it. Let's have a little Sunday fun day. We are going to be pulling a prank on Peng. He told us his kryptonite, bad idea, Peng, and his kryptonite happens to be Wiener Schnitzel. I can't say that without laughing.
Basically anything chili cheese he cannot refuse. So we're gonna We're gonna sabotage him a little bit today. I know it's a little unfair, but
Wait, he is the king of sabotage,
he
though.
is. He's a saboteur,
really is.
absolutely.
He is. I
A
don't
little
feel
taste of his
bad.
own medicine here.
I don't feel bad at
So
all.
we're gonna order some chili cheese fries stuff. We're gonna bring it back to him. And we're gonna see if he goes for it.
Okay, chili lovers combo. That sounds like paying. I think that's what we're gonna have to do.
Oh,
What is Payne going to do to this wiener? Find out in week 4. Stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. Please leave your comments down below what you think he's gonna do. We love hearing back from you. And as always, if you did not hate this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, be sure to click that subscribe button. Also, click that notification bell if you want to be notified on future tippy tales. And if you want to connect with me, all my socials are linked down below. As always, guys, we are signing off with some love and some gratitude. We'll see you next time.